Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of solid-state drives with a closer look at the Silicon Power 1TB NVMe M.2 PCIe Gen3x4 SSD. If you're in the market for a blazing fast storage solution that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. The Silicon Power 1TB NvMe SSD is hands down one of the best options out there, offering top-tier performance and ample storage capacity at an unbeatable price point. Let's start by highlighting what makes this SSD stand out from the competition. With its PCIe Gen3x4 interface, this SSD delivers read speeds of up to 2,200 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 1,600 megabytes per second. That means lightning-fast data transfer rates, whether you're booting up your computer or loading your favorite applications and games. But speed isn't the only thing this SSD has going for it. With a generous 1 terabyte of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room for your operating system, applications, games, and files. Plus, its compact M.2 form factor makes it ideal for both laptops and desktops, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems. With customer reviews like these, it's clear that the Silicon Power NvMe SSD is a winner in every aspect. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or everyday user looking to supercharge your system's performance, this SSD has you covered. So, if you're ready to take your storage game to the next level without breaking the bank, look no further than the Silicon Power 1TB NvMe M.2 PCIe Gen3x4 SSD. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!